Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Curtis back with another crypto video. In this video, we're going to be talking about Arweave. If you watched my last video, we talked a lot about Filecoin. Basically, Arweave is a competitor in the decentralized storage space like Filecoin, but has a lot more upside potential in my opinion, and I wanted to break that down for you today and kind of show you my point of view on things. So if you're looking at the screen right now, we currently have Arweave's price history on the screen, and the first thing I want to point out is it has a lot of similarity to Bitcoin's price history, and I'm going to show you that now. If you can see right here on the screen, we kind of have this nice rally in 2021 with a pullback, followed by another rally where we hit the all-time high of $89.24. Currently trading at just over $4, about $4.11 right now. And we're down overall about 95.42%. If we go and we look at Bitcoin, we kind of have that same sort of momentum. Obviously, Bitcoin's a much older project, kind of the pioneer of the crypto market. So we have all of this price action before ultimately in 2017 we see it really take off. Has a nice pullback before taking off again in 2021, another dip, and then we hit our all-time high of $69,000 before pulling back as we are currently in this bear market, starting to accumulate and get some more momentum. If we compare this to Filecoin, you can see that Filecoin has this huge rally in 2021 before we pull back in July of 2021. Another small rally without breaking any all-time highs in 2021. Again, this is all kind of a bull market year before we ultimately sell off. And now we're trading at about $3.17 from its all-time high of $236. So down about 98%. But the main difference in these two coins and the tokenomics that I'd like to point out is one, the market cap. Filecoin has a market cap of 1.4 billion. So we have hundreds of thousands, hundreds of millions, billions. So we have a market cap of 1.4 billion with a circulating supply of 445 million and a total max supply of 1.96 billion. So we really only have about 25% of the circulating supply out there right now. The total supply is in circulation right now. So that leaves a lot of room for deflation. Whereas if you look at Arweave, we only have a $267 million market cap, which means for this coin to 10x, we'd basically have to be at a $2.6 billion market cap, which is very attainable compared to Filecoin. If we wanted to 10x, we'd need an $11.4 billion market cap, which is a lot more unlikely. Not impossible, just not as likely. And then the tokenomics for the supply that we have for Arweave is the total max supply is going to reach 66 million, and we're almost there. We have 65.45 million in circulation, which will leave a lot of room for inflation. Currently, Arweave is ranked number 118, and Filecoin is ranked number 35 of the top crypto projects. And the main difference in the utility in Arweave and Filecoin is a month-to-month basis and doesn't have a limitless lifetime of storage, whereas Arweave, it's a one-time payment, and it essentially holds your storage forever with 200 years. So the guarantee of your lifetime, it'll be holding anything you upload to store. It'll retain that information, and that's not the case with Filecoin. What are your thoughts on what I've just shown you? Let's jump into the charts on Arweave. Okay, so here you have Arweave pulled up. So this is the daily chart on Arweave. As you can see, in the last bull market, we hit a total high of It says $92, but we know it was $89 roughly, a couple dollar difference. Right now we're trading at about $4.10. I threw the Fibonacci on there. As you can see, within this range, we respect the Fibonacci levels like support and resistance. So this 38.2 level is being respected as support multiple times, even over here. Resistance, support, support, resistance, resistance, resistance. And now we're far below that level, trading at about $4.10. And if we were just to hit our all-time high again from our current price, we would have at least a 21x. You take that, you get that number by taking the all-time high, divide that by the current price, which is $4.10, and we have roughly about a 21x, almost 22x. So if you put $1,000 in to Arweave and we did hit our all-time high, that $1,000 would roughly turn into about $22,000. Now, if we're looking and we go into price discovery, which is very possible as the decentralized cloud storage space grows, if we were just hit the 1.618 level, we could see Filecoin hit an all-time high of $147. And if we plug that into our calculator, $147 divided by $4.10, we could see a 35x, basically a 36x. So in the same example, using that $1,000, if we bought $1,000 worth of Arweave token, we could potentially see that return us $36,000. What are your thoughts on what I've shown you here today? Comparing Arweave to Filecoin, to the similarity you see in Bitcoin, in the price action on Bitcoin. Do you see any similarities? Something that interests you? Let me know what you think in the comments below. That's all for this time, and we'll see you guys soon.